Thank you. And now, may I give it up once and again for our esteemed new Commodore, my dear and special friend, the man of the evening, the Caped Crusader for the Detroit Yacht Club in its 150th year. Give it up in a big way for Commodore Ray Back.
My dad was a great man. He was kind, gentle, and easygoing. He had one thing in particular that irked him. He hated the phrase, "I don't give a damn." He truly believed that one person could make a difference and that the world would be a better place if more people gave a damn. When I moved to Michigan in 1998 and was looking for a place to join for me and my then young family, I was instantly attracted to the Detroit Yacht Club. Now, of course, there's a lot to like here. There's no doubt about that. But it was deeper than that. It was very clear to me that this was a club whose members gave a damn about the city of Detroit, gave a damn about Belle Isle, gave a damn about their club, and most importantly, gave a damn about each other. The DYC was and is a very special place. Thank you for allowing me to serve as your Commodore during this milestone year as the club celebrates its 150th anniversary. This will be a great year. There has never been a better time to be a member of the Detroit Yacht Club. Together we will have a lot of fun, but we will also do what is necessary to make sure this club is here for our children, our children's children, and beyond. So thank you again. Enjoy the rest of the evening, and please join us in the ballroom for the Grand March.